Welcome back to a Jonesy channel video with a difference today. Today, for a Christmas present, a friend of the family bought me this train set, which, looking by the artwork, looks like it's from the 1980s, so about 40 years old, and it's never been touched. It's never ever been ran or anything. So I'm going to run it for the first ever time today in about 40 years. So I'm going to be doing some reviews on it, my opinions. And yeah, I've not seen a video on this train set on YouTube yet, so this might be the first one. So yeah, let's just get the box out of the way and give you the logo. So we've got the Intercity 125, obviously, in the blue and orange livery, and it comes with a coach, one coach, and this has never been ran before, so I'm going to run it for the first ever time today. And it comes with a bit of track and a controller, a very strange controller that you move like that. I know on the normal ones you use like a little dial thing, but yeah, it's got some very nice artwork on it, you know, with the train on, and that's like a nice sort of picture of it. Yeah, so moving on to the logo, we've got a nice design, nice artwork. It looks brilliant. On the front, the cab, I think the cab light up, that's what I probably think, because it's like an old sort of model. And yeah, the couplings have broke off at its age. I think they could just come off in the box because it's old and the couplings have just left the chat. So yeah, I'm going to run it on this track here. It looks a mess, but oh god, that regional railways. I'm just falling over. Damn it. So yeah, that's what I want to run it on. I've got the outer loop only in service today, so I'll be running it on the outer loop because that's more generous to the train as well because of reasons. So yeah, I want to run it. I already have got some intercity coaches. There's one, but these are the newish ones. Well, newish, they're old now, but. So I might put that on first, but I'm going to run the loco first just to see how it runs. Yeah, so let's put the loco on the heaviest one, which seems to be this one, because really you can't tell the difference in these older trains. Put it on here, and then I'm going to go over. It's got a nice 2 steam engines there. Just point that out. So yeah, there it is. Let's fire it up. Ooh, a bit grindy, but it's quite smooth for its age. First time I've ever run it as well in 4 years. Bit squeaky, but I think that could be just my track. A nice angle here. Nice place in that one. Yeah, if plays got a new way, just shout out to him, he's a brilliant YouTuber. I did say to you I'll be doing an aviation video, but and that's in the next video coming up. I'll be doing 3 videos today about different things that I've got. I mean, if you didn't know I like trains, that's forgivable, because I haven't ever done anything about trains on the channel. You might see more of this. If you do like this sort of content, please comment and say if you prefer trains or planes. I mean, I will do both, but if you prefer different ones, I might do one more, one bit more often. But I do like planes and trains, basically. An epic combination. Also, a shout out to IC82, Intercity 82. He lives in Crewe as well, like me, because he says it on his channel. And he's just a great YouTuber, and he started off with an intercity, recording it, but it's with a different artwork on the box. So I want to give him a shout out because some people might not know him, and if you do, thumbs up. So I want to go ahead and get the other coach now, which I'm going to fit onto the train with the classic hornby coupling. Let's put that on. Doesn't seem to be connecting. After that bit of troubled connecting the train, I've connected all three of them. So let's spool the engine up, see how it runs. Oh, I think that's come off. Yeah, the axes are a bit stiff still. Need to put some oil on them later. But that just looks amazing, doesn't it? Yeah, them bogies just, it's come off again, so I'll just come and fix it, but yeah, I'm gonna lean the camera here actually, whilst I just fix it, just so you can get that nice view of it, nice view of the train, and me of course. So yeah, yeah, they're not very smooth, put it that way. So I might just run it again once more, and I'm done with it, to be honest, because I need to go put some oil on it. Yeah, it comes off all the time, but it doesn't matter, I'll sort it out later. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new, subscribe. If you like this content, comment which one you prefer, planes or trains. I mean, I will do both, but whatever you like, I'll do a bit more of. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.